Look at these three products. 11 times 36, 11 times 54, 11 times 76. Each one looks like real multiplication work, but 11 is just 10 plus 1. Pause the video. Try 11 times 36 in your head. Here is a hint. What is 36 tens plus one more 36? Here is the move. 11 is 10 plus 1. So picture the rectangle. Cut the height into a 10 slab and a 1 slab. The 10 slab is 360. The 1 slab is 36. Stack them in columns shifted one place. The outer digits just drop down, a 3 and a 6. The two middle neighbors add. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 11 times 36 is 396. And the standard way agrees. Now 11 times 76. Write the outer digits, a 7 and a 6. Now the two middle neighbors, 7 plus 6. That makes 13. Too big for one place, so write the 3 in the middle. And carry the 1 onto the 7. 7 becomes 8. 8, 3, 6. 836. Now it is your turn. A speed round. Drop the neighbors, then answer. Beat the timer in your head. This is the 11 adds neighbors rule. If you multiply a two-digit number by 11, keep the outer digits and drop their sum in the middle. Carry 1 when it hits 10. Look for any times 11. One rectangle, many cuts. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.